Hello, now we'll see the benefits of user experience. In this lesson, we'll cover what is all the user experience has the benefits. Let's see what are all the outline of this topic has. We'll learn the benefits, what are the benefits, what does UX do, importance of UX design, then the conclusion. Let's see one by one. Now, here we are going to see what are the benefits in details. Benefit 1. It can significantly reduce costs down the line. 2. User experience can help you increase your conversation. Benefit 3. UX design can help with your CEO, which is search engine optimize. 4. In increases your brand loyalty with UX design. Benefit 5. UX design can help increase word of mouth referrals. 4. 6 could be keeps you from wasting resources. Let's see in detail of each benefit. In benefit 1, significantly reduce cost. Let's see how. In this image, you can see that quality, speed and results. If these three gets high, then the cost automatically gets reduces. By investing in UX design, upfront can significantly reduce cost down the line, which is with any new project, your business takes on there is always a certain amount of risk, but because UX design and design thinking are focused on research, analyze, and testing, you are immediately setting yourself up for success. Which is, more and more companies are starting to realize that preventing possible usability issues or problems from the outset is far less expensive than fixing them later with product redesign or bug amendments. After all, design changes are far easier to make than development changes and therefore less expensive. If I want to explain with an example or in detail, it means that after the production or after the development, if we want to redesign or if we want to restructure the product, it takes a too much of cost plus manpower, or it could be creating again a new coding or the again a new resource we required. So to avoid this all, the UX design has been got came into the picture. So creating time into the UX design, it reduces the cost for the companies. Next, whilst working in this interactive manner may seem more costly to start with, it can save money in the long term and help you build a product that is set up for success, drives conversations, and engages with your target users effectively. How? How this all things happen? Receive more accurate estimates and avoid future creeps. creeps. Sorry. By scoping and testing all features requirements, design are design and information articulate architecture at the prototyping stage, developers are able to provide better estimates of the time and cost required to complete the project, hence preventing any nasty cost surprises at a later stage. It means, like the same, before making any product, finalizing the product and putting them into the market or shown to the end user, it takes up too much time. If the end target audience says this is wrong or that is wrong, we need to change this. That means it gives the more cost for the developer plus to the companies. So to avoid this all things, we create some first design. We take the requirement, we gather requirement, then we design or the design or the structure with the basis of information. We create an architecture. After creating the architecture, we create a prototype. Then we show to the developers. A developer gets a clear picture by seeing the prototyping because the prototyping is the final output of a product which the user has been finalized. So by doing this, so automatically the estimate or the cost get reduced. Getting your content right. That is, we all know how important content is. It's even better when great content is met with great design. And as with any website or application, your content can be key in converting your users. By addressing this earlier on in the prototyping stage, you can ensure that your content is fit for purpose before your website or application is even launched to the wider public. Again, saving time and the cost for your business. But as I explained, it says that before putting any product live, we need to test it or we need to uh, take it at website or an application. We need to save the time and the cost for your business. To do so, we need to see the content first. We need to finalize the content, then we need to design, then we need to put it into prototyping stage, then we need to ensure that the content is a fit for the purpose before it get launches into the public. Let's move to the benefit 2. It says that help you increases your conversation. How? On the stage, you can see that there is image there are the two types, which is 67% and one is the 61%. One is friendly and one is unfriendly. In friendly, you see more likely to buy. In unfriendly, it says more likely to leave. So, if you buy something into the market, if you imagine on your mobile, a mobile-friendly site makes me more likely to buy a product or use a service. In unfriendly, if I don't see what I am looking for right away on the mobile site, I will quickly move on to the another site. So it gets the confused to the user and so it feels that unfriendly. When a user is unable to decide what he needs on a website or an application, then the user gets distracted and he moves to the another website. To avoid so, this is what we use the UX design into the picture. Let's see how this benefit 2 helps out. The point says, we have all been there. You are browsing the web looking for a particular product or service and have come across one or two websites that address your problem. Then, list all of these sites seemingly promotes the same content and products. One clearly stands out. Then it is easy to use and you are able to find what it was you were looking for quickly and with little to no effort. The overall experience was enjoyable and you happily save this website for further reference. It means if you are using any website or an application and while using the application if you don't like or you don't experience a good while using so, then definitely the user will not come or he or she will not revisit to the website. So to do this best, if we give a good experience for a user or while using the website, if the user is enjoyable and he is happily save the time on the website, then definitely the user will refer someone else, and plus he or she will visit a website again and again to do so. Unfortunately, many websites are missing out and subsequently over complicated design that may look nice and drawing away customers away as they struggle to find what it was they were looking for. Now, in live case, in a current scenario, many of the websites you like it, but when you go to one website, you you get confused what you want to buy or what you are looking for. If this is the case, then definitely a user get confused or the design it is too complicated, which is not a good design. So to avoid these all things, we take a help of the UX design. Next, a simple sign of it is as human we are impatient, and this is future exaggerated outline. With this in mind, now more than ever, it is important to consider how to reduce the level of effort your user need to take in order to maximize the number of conversations on your product, be it a website or app. And next, let's see the benefit 3. UX design can help with your SEO. SEO again stands for Search Engine Optimize. In this image, you see one side there is a UX and the another side is a SEO. Let's see how this helps. SEO helps with the UX design. A good UX design can result in a healthy SEO ranking. Like everyone knows, what is SEO does the work. SEO makes a digital marketing or your website brings up on a search engine optimize on any or a Google take it any search engine where when a user puts any website up, if he or she searches anything on the internet, then the result on the top what it comes is the high priority result. So the search engine optimize guy or the candidate works on it how the content should be on the top of your search engine. A Google theme serve actively promotes great user experience in their search result. After all, this whole goal is to provide user with the best answer to their question as quickly as possible by serving up the most relevant information first. Then, this is not only a translate to SEO but also paid media or a PPC, pay per click marketing. You know, on a website or on any search engine, when you click on any website or on any ad, uh, on a click of one one click of any ad or on a link, a company gets pay for per click. So to give a good result, or SEO needs. Let's see next. Platforms like Google Ads, previously known as Google AdWords, actively score the results of your landing page experience in your ad campaign and gives you suggestions to optimize the user journey. Focus on this page. Then, user experience is a big factor in Google's search algorithm, where websites are concerned. A poor user experience can ultimately result poor SEO rankings, or in the case of paid advertising, PPC and insufficient ad champions. Let's move to the next benefit, which is increase your brand loyalty. A loyalty comes with a brand relationship, rate, customer respect, trust, confidence. With the help of these all things, a loyalty happens.